Mukbang Mermaid. Mukbang Mermaid.
I am Mukbang Mermaid, and I mukbang that way.
Joining me at the other end of my table. Bubble, guess what? I just got one of Adna's packages in the mail. This is it, Bubbles. This is the anti-monkey butt powder. I've got to get off my tail. I'll wrap it up for Adna a little later. Give me a second. I am exhausted. If you remember yesterday, I told you that I was going to make Salisbury steak and mac and cheese for Adna. So I had some leftovers, and that's what you see in front of me. I put a little more gravy over my meat and over the mac and cheese. I tell you, Bubbles, I am exhausted. I mean, I feel like I've gained so much weight. Jeez. It's like I've gained weight in places I never knew I could gain weight. You know what I mean? In my tail. I don't even want to get into it. Abner always says to me,
"You look beautiful to me. I love meat. Only dogs like bones. Stop being so hard on yourself, Mom. You look beautiful to me."
And I said, Abner, don't call me beautiful. Now, I've told you that before. Are you serious? Now, I'm going to just start working out a little bit more. I'm going to start slithering back and forth to the refrigerator a lot more during the day, you know? So that's how I'll kind of get my workout in. But anywho, Bubs, I'm starving like Marvin, so please, I've got to get it in. If you would, put your hands, fingers, paws, nose, whatever you got, put them together. Dear God, it is I, Mukbang Mermaid, your best friend until the end. God, today on the menu, I've got Salisbury steak and mac and cheese. I wish I had that candy. What's it called, God? Reese's. I just love how that peanut butter kind of melts in your mouth. I'm getting hungry. Look, how are you ever going to lose weight when all you like to eat is steak and cake? I think I'm going to order me an Easy Bake. Don't those Easy Bake ovens kind of cook things as speedy, God? Anywho, I love you, God. Amen. Bubbles, let's get it in. We've said our grace. Now let's put this food in its rightful place. Let's get into it, Bubbles. I do hope you've been well. Bubbles, have a bite. Mac and cheese. What? What was that? You prefer Gouda on your mac and cheese? Oh, please, honey. Talk about bougie. Bob, I wasn't talking about you. Anywho, I'm going to get it in. I'm going to take a bite of the mac and cheese with the meat. Mac and cheese is a little stiff today. You know, some foods are better the next day, and others just aren't. I'm finding pasta with a sauce sometimes is one of those foods that just don't taste quite as good the next day. Do you agree with me, Bubbles? What's some food that you think tastes better the next day, you know? Bubbles, I ordered this steak from QVC at the Home Shopping Network. I tell you, it was kind of pricey. I'm talking about really pricey. But they sold me when they said that I could get it with 14 easy payments of $99.99. So I said, well, I really appreciate that. And they said, no problem. What's your credit card number and we'll start your payments today. So I don't even have to worry about making the payments. And it's a big box full of them. Hey, are you enjoying Mukbang Mermaid? Well, if so, it's time for you to put the verdict in. Give me a like. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell for all new updates. Leave me a comment down below. Share. I love you so much. And don't ever forget, nothing is impossible. Go after your dreams. Now let's get back to the show. Yep. Tell me, have you ever ordered anything off of the television? It's so convenient, you know? I tell you, this mac and cheese is giving my gills a run for its money. Kind of tough. Give me a second, Bubs. Bubbles, I'm thinking about ordering some Christmas decorations for Abner to put up around the house. I cannot put up any more decorations. Remember that one year that I tried putting up the Christmas lights? That I should not have gotten up there on top of that roof. I told you that. Oh! Oh! I got all tangled up. I got all tangled up in the lights. It ended with my lights out. No pun intended. That was a really hard fall, Muck. Get this little bit of mac. Just kind of suck it up like a vacuum cleaner. Finish my steak. Hey, Bubs, how do you take your steak? Rare, medium, well done? I even heard some people eat their steaks raw. I don't know about that. Don't they know it's a virus going on? well, hey, to each their own. I've never liked this meat well done. As for me, I like it medium well. Yeah. Had a good gravy on it. Hey, devils. If you would, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I love you so, so much. And I'll see you here tomorrow, same time, same place. Sounds good. I love you so, 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 so much. Mwah, mwah. Bye. Anti-monkey butt. I think he'll really appreciate this. He better. I'm telling you, spending my hard-earned money buying him gifts. Okay, well, actually, it's not your money, Muck. It's his money. Well, he's my husband, so what's his is mine, right? Right. Now, let me see what else I can order as a QVC. I'll just tell him it's my Christmas.